Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the latest news from Google, specifically the replacement of Google Assistant with Gemini, a new AI-powered assistant that's been making waves in the tech community. Google Assistant has been around for over 10 years, and it's been a staple of many Android devices, but it seems like its time is coming to an end, and Gemini is taking its place. Design and build-wise, Gemini is a completely different beast compared to Google Assistant. It's built on a more advanced AI framework that allows it to understand and respond to more complex queries. Gemini's AI foundations make it less predictable than the semantic, rules-based outcomes of Assistant, but it's also much better at responding to those longer, winding queries we all tend to ask. In terms of specs and performance, Gemini is still a relatively new product, but from what we've seen so far, it's been impressive. It can handle multiple tasks at once, and it's been able to understand and respond to a wide range of questions and commands. One of the new features of Gemini is its ability to learn and adapt to your habits and preferences over time. It can also integrate with a wide range of devices and services, making it a much more powerful and versatile assistant than Google Assistant. There have been some rumors and leaks about Gemini's future development, including the possibility of it being integrated into other Google products and services, such as Google Home and Google Pixel devices. As for the expected release date and price, Gemini is already available on some Google devices, and it's expected to roll out to more devices in the coming months. The price will likely vary depending on the device and the services you're using. In our verdict, Gemini is a powerful and impressive AI-powered assistant that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices. It's still early days, but we're excited to see where Gemini will go from here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates. We'll catch you all in the next video.